Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm back here at Toorbul in Queensland, Australia. Now, if you're watching my channel about 4 or 5 weeks ago, I was here doing some bird photography. Now, the funny thing is, I got a lot of comments from that video. People were actually more interested in the little blue soldier crabs that were in that video. So I'm going to dedicate this entire video to those little guys. I'm going to get out there and get some shots of them. Now, last time I was completely underprepared. I got my shoes completely covered in mud because I was actually not intending to shoot there that day. I was actually going to shoot at another location. Anyway, this time I've come just a little bit better prepared. All right, let the games begin. Ever had one of those horrible feelings that you shouldn't have introduced a video on a specific target species without even getting any shots first? I'm searching around everywhere for these soldier crabs. Hang on, is that one? No. How about there? No. Aha! Yeah, no. Well, at least give the viewers something to laugh at. Yep, almost falling over with $7 grand worth of photographic gear in your hand should do the trick. Well, it's a bit disappointing. I actually came here to photograph those little blue soldier crabs. I can't see a single one. Yet, the other day when I was here, they were just everywhere, hordes of them. But today, they are hiding. But what I couldn't get before in that other video with the birds are now feeding in this low tide. And I've got this amazing light coming through the clouds. And I had these spoonbills coming into land before, just amazing. And I had the light behind them as they were coming into land. It was just really beautiful. The other thing is I'm also seeing there's more kingfishers out here, and also I had some black-winged stilts flying through as well. So not all is lost. I'm still grabbing some shots here and there, but you know, fingers crossed those crabs might stick their heads out as the tide gets a little bit lower, but we'll see. Maybe they're hiding because of all the spoonbills here that are feeding. But yeah, please don't let me have put these waders on for nothing. I know I look like a giant Kermit the Frog, but having these waders really does help me get out closer to these birds. And I don't have to worry about destroying my shoes or clothes, and I can get back into my car and I don't smell like a rubbish tip. Have a look at that sky. Look how amazing that cloud is. As the sun gets down, I think it's going to get under this cloud and it's going to light up absolutely everything. That whole sky is going to be on fire. Still get stuck in this stuff. If I would have had my shoes on, my shoe right now would be still back there somewhere. There he is, it's coming straight at me. They are just so beautiful. Love their colours. He's going back to his tree now. I'm a little bit speechless at the moment. It came out of the tree, it flew across here. I tracked it with the D850, and then I was just watching it go into attack dive, so I started firing away with the shutter. Sure enough, it hit the water and came up with this little fish in its claws. So beautiful. Fingers crossed, I think I've got a good shot, so I'll put that up on screen for you now. I just had to revert to putting a jumper on because it's starting to get absolutely freezing here. Up this way, where the tide was really low, sure enough, these soldier crabs come out. So I have got a couple of shots for you guys. They are now coming out all across these flats. They must be so smart because the birds were feasting here before and they're thinking, I ain't going out there while those birds are there. You know, every time I walk along in these waders, it reminds me of that Seinfeld episode, you know, where George Costanza had those swishy pants. Check out the cloud above the Glasshouse Mountains over here. The lucky thing is, I've brought all my landscape photography gear with me. So I've got an inkling little feeling that that sun is going to get through the horizon, and all of that is going to be one big fireball on the cloud. So tune in next week and I'm going to do some landscape photography here and we'll see how it goes. Does it work? Does it not? We'll find out. Never stop creating. I'll see you next time.